Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, Denise Latrice. I am a wife and mom of 4 and a woman who loves all things elegant, feminine, and faith-filled. On my channel, I curate moments of beauty, home, and lifestyle, all centered around living gracefully with intentions. Now, if you are drawn to elegance and peaceful living, I would love to have you join the family by subscribing to the channel and clicking that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Now, you already seen the thumbnail, so you already know what is coming your way. This video is brought to you by the lovely Love Me Hair. They sent over the most gorgeous and beautiful wig, and we're about to get right into it. This is Love Me Hair's All Day Comfort Blonde Highlight Loose Wave Wig. It's glueless and it comes with a minimalistic HD lace. And this is their beginner friendly T-part unit as well. Now let me show you how it looks coming right out of the box. No combing, no fluffing, no styling. This is her straight out of the box. Now let's get into the details of this unit. I am wearing this in the color Blonde Highlight. This unit comes in 3 lengths, 10, 12, and 14, with me wearing the 12-inch length. The density on this unit is 150%, so it is not too heavy and it's not too light. It is just the right amount of thickness. The hair type is 100% human hair. The parting is a T part, which is a middle part. That's the only part you would get with this unit. The lace area is minimalistic HD lace. It goes across 6 inches. Now let's talk about the construction of this unit. Let's see how it looks on the inside. This unit comes with 1 removable comb. It comes with a removable adjustable band. It has a breathable cap, and this unit comes with a C-shaped ear tag, so it is glasses friendly. This unit also comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleach. It's glueless and it is beginner friendly. The cap size on this unit is 19 to 23 inches. So if you have a small, medium, or large head, you are able to wear this unit. This unit also can be dyed. It's not recommended, but you do have the option to dye this unit. Also, this unit should last you 1 year or more, depending on how you care for it. And before we get any further, they also sent over some goodies as well. They sent over a Love Me Hair baby hair brush, wig cap, a Love Me hair clip, and a Love Me Hair drawstring bag to help store your unit in. And since this is Love Me Hair's All Day Comfort wig, it is truly a throw on and go type of unit. So let me show you exactly what I mean. Look at her, y'all. Okay, all right. Looking pretty good right out of the box. Look at it. What we're going to do is we're going to get into this lace, and let me show you how the lace looks up close. Let's go ahead and melt the lace, but how it looks like it really don't need that much melting, just along the sides. That's really it. So I'm gonna clip this hair back.
Started building situations, getting.
And we're just gonna put setting lotion on it. We are using Camilla Rose, and we're gonna go ahead and just put it around the hairline so the sides can melt. That's basically it. The front really doesn't need it. It's just the sides.
Explain how we still in the gray. 'Cause she said I'm incredible in every way.
Now we're gonna get my wrap, and we are going to lay these lace style.
And get me out of this situation.
Bam. So while the lace is melting, we're going to go ahead and get into these curls. Now, straight out of the box, this wig is amazing. Look at this color. Simply gorgeous. Oh, honey. Yes. Okay. As y'all can see, it's not a lot that you need to do with this wig. So you really can take it out the box and just go. You basically can, because the lace looks so good. It had a little bit to lay down, but you can put a wrap on like I'm doing while you getting ready. And yeah, look at this. So what we're gonna do, because it's been traveling in a box, we're just gonna give it a little curl here and there, not too much because it's not needed. So we're just gonna do some, pull some hair where we feel like it needs a curl or it needs to be recurled. So like right here. So we probably gonna just do around the face.
Status hasn't changed, baby. Tell me you don't wanna lose me. Don't lose me, baby. I don't want nobody else to claim me. Show me I'm everything you're saying. Tell me you don't wanna lose me. Get me out of this situation. Get me out of this situation.
We did a little curls around the face, and we're just gonna finger comb it out. Look at that. Gorgeous. So gorgeous. This is so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, look at that. Did not take no time at all. So let's take this band off. Look at that. Gorgeous. This is perfect to wear to work or to church or a date night because it's so cute. It's flowy, so soft. Like, this is amazing. I'm loving this. Very, 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 very cute. So cute. So I'm just gonna put a little powder just in the front. Tip it out a little bit. Isn't she cute? So cute. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Let me show you the back.
Best for us, baby. I'll be friend on the weekend when we hanging out. A lover on call, boy, I make a vow that you're my number one priority. Just keep giving me all your love. Don't stop giving me all your love. I'm sitting in the palm of your hand. Your wishes.
No glue, no spray. Just adjust the band, put it on, and you are good to go. Now you see how quick it was that I got this wig together. It didn't take me nothing but about a minute or two to get it together, and this is so great. It's a great soft and feminine hairstyle that you can wear every day. For shedding, I am not getting any shedding with this unit. Now let's get into the pros and cons of this unit, starting with the cons. This unit only comes in a default middle part wig. It is a T-part wig, which means you are not going to be able to customize this wig and part it in different ways. You're only going to be able to do it in the middle. Another con to this unit is that it is only for short or medium length. Is not there are no longer lengths to this unit, so if you want this in a longer length, this is not the wig for you. Now let's go into the pros, and baby, it's a lot of pros to this unit. One of the pros that I like about this unit is that the color blends so nicely. They really did a good job with their coloring. They always do a good job when it comes to their color units. Very, 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 very beautiful. The length is an easy and manageable length. So even though it's on the short to medium length, I feel like it's the perfect length for everyday wear. It's not going to get in your way. It's just the right amount to make you feel that feminine and elegant way. Another pro to this unit is that it is very comfortable and it is beginner friendly. As you've seen, all I did was take it out the box, put it on, and I'm good to go. Like, it's not a lot that you need to do with this unit. If anything, all you need to do is just melt the lace, which doesn't take long to do, and put a little curl here and there because it's been traveling in the box. But once you do that, all you gotta do is just put it on and go. That's it. Absolutely amazing. I also love that this unit is pre-cut, so if you're not confident in cutting the lace, you don't have to worry about that with this unit. It also comes pre-plucked and pre-bleed, so they have thought of everything with this unit, so you just have to put it on and go. This is truly a put on and go wig. Overall, this is a soft, feminine, and easy wig to put on. It is great for work, church, or running errands, or just lounging around the house. If you want to go on a date night, this is a great wig to have. And if you decide to give this unit a try, make sure you use my code DENITRIS for 32% off. And there you have it. I would like to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. Remember to use my code DENITRIS for 32% off. And if you have not already, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, stay elegant, stay grateful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.